My name is Fauzia Al-Rawahi. I'm an Omani living in Oman. Among the treatments that, beside myself, Dr. Gita has treated family members, close family members. My daughter-in-law, 9 years ago, or 10 years ago, yes. She was her first pregnancy. Now her husband, which is my son, is A negative and she is A positive. So the doctors in hospital were scaring her that because of this, she has to have injections, otherwise the pregnancy will be affected, etc., etc. I was not happy that she has to undergo so many injections. So I took her to Dr. Gita and she did acupuncture treatment, which I'm very, very happy that it reduced the necessity of all these injections while she was pregnant. That's the first case of my daughter-in-law. And the second case is my son, Sood. His name is Sood Al-Busaidi. He was 30 years old. No, he was 29 years old 5 years ago. He's 34 now. He had a traffic accident which involved an injury to two back vertebrae. This left him with recurrent sciatica and numbness of his toes. He was at one time in a wheelchair because the pain was intense on his back, on his thigh, under the sciatica was very strong. So I was very worried about his condition. So I took him to Dr. Gita. She did her acupuncture treatment on him and it helped a lot in him gaining his mobility to be able to walk and go on with his life. That I'm thankful to God as well. And I believe that the treatment that Dr. Gita is giving from all these cases that I've witnessed, they give a lot of positivity to treatment for people's ailments other than relying on chemicals of the allopathic doctors. Thank you.